What I want to do today is just give you a quick rundown of the basic functionalities of the Yealink phone. This is the T54W, which we mainly deploy. So first of all, you notice if you pick up the handset, we have the BLF buttons on the side here. So these are just the shortcuts to the members of your business that we've set up there. If you did want to call someone, literally press that button and it's going to dial through to their extension. Green means they're available, red means they're on the phone. Very simple and straightforward. These four buttons here are dynamic. So basically, as you change things that you're doing on the phone, those four buttons are going to be your best friend. So they're going to show you everything pretty much shortcutted that you will need to do on these phones as you will need to do them. So for example, if you're on a phone call, it would come up with hold or transfer or whatever you need to do. So right at this stage of the phone, these are the buttons that are kind of used mainly. So they'll actually display them there. As we go around the phone, you will also see that there's the headset button there. If that's lit up green, you'll be in headset mode. So the headset that's plugged into the back of there will be live. You can just start typing straight away, make your phone call. As you can see, those buttons just changed when I started dialing a number there. That's your mute button, of course. That's to collect your mail, which will be, when that's flashing, you'll have mail there. You can click on the mail and collect that. But most of the time we have them out automatically coming to your emails. So you don't actually need to collect them from here, but that's the old school method that's available for you. The pause button there is basically to put someone on hold and take them off hold. So you push that hold and on hold, but it also be displayed up there. That's recently dialed numbers. So you can go through the list of missed calls, all calls, place calls, go through and redial them or just see what's going on with your history. And that's your transfer button there. So if you were on a phone call, you can push transfer there, push it through to anybody within your business. There's the speaker. So if you wanted to go on speakerphone functions, you can do that. Turning your volumes up and down on that. If you play with your volumes here, it's actually the ringer volume. From there, these are just your normal buttons. So if you wanted to get into the menus of the phone, select OK. And actually no menus there, and then you can go through the functions and see any advanced functions that you may need to use, but this is just a general guide, so hopefully that helps you work your way around the phones a little bit easier.